Hi everybody, my name is Shamir, but everybody calls me Shy. And right now I am employed at an inpatient psychiatric facility as an adolescent social worker. I also work with adults from time to time when the adolescent census is low. I'm currently doing my field placement with an outpatient provider that I actually work closely with through my employer. And I shadow an master's level clinician in the community. And we provide outpatient therapeutic support to families in the community. So what we do is we go to the homes, and as opposed to the families coming to the office, and we go to the homes and we conduct therapy sessions in the home setting. Um, and we also take the client, which is the child, out into the community and conduct individual sessions. We go to like the library, depending on the weather, might even go to the park or something like that. And we also, in addition to providing those therapeutic services in the community and to the family, we also go into the schools and collaborate with the schools just to discuss the client's progress, any issues or concerns that may be going on. What I want to get out of this course is just more knowledge about trauma. I want to be more educated on trauma because I come across my clients and patients, they all have some kind of traumatic event that they've experienced. And sometimes I don't know how to respond to that. So I'm just looking on ways to respond and to help them cope with that and deal with those traumatic experiences. I think studying trauma is relevant to my future career because I do plan to continue working with adolescents. Um, and I just want to know, I need to know how to approach the trauma aspect of everything, in an appropriate manner. And I don't want to feel stuck when they tell me their traumatic experience and I don't know what to say. So I just want to be prepared in that area. Three things that I would do to take care of myself this semester, which I didn't do last semester, is I would take a break when I need a break. Because I am a mother and I work full time and I do field placement. It's a lot for me. And I don't like to turn in my work late. And that's not the plan. But if I do need to take a break or I'm just feeling overwhelmed, I think that I will take a break and, come back to things in a timely manner, of course. The other thing I will do is just to make sure that I'm communicating with my support system and talking to them. A lot of times as professionals, we forget that, we are people too at the end of the day, and we have our own issues and our own personal stressors, and we tend to put that stuff on the back burner while we're treating our clients or our patients. So I just need to make sure that I am taking care of my own mental health personally. And then the third thing that I will do is just keep up with my girly stuff that I like to do, like getting my nails done, hair, pedicures, massages, facials, things like that. Just things that make me feel refreshed and good about myself. But I look forward to working with all of you, and I wish you all the best of luck in the course.